Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about the Cardioton capsules. Cardioton is an all-natural and highly effective blood pressure support formula which has been expertly crafted in the Philippines. The product has received excellent ratings from its users and has gained massive popularity for its ability to control blood pressure levels naturally and safely. Is your blood pressure numbers getting out of control? In this fast-paced world we live in today, it is easy for the numbers to go up. So if you think it is time to start looking for support for your blood pressure, there are natural food supplements available which can help you achieve the results you desire. This detailed Cardioton review sheds light on how this supplement works to stabilize blood pressure levels. Through this review, we will also look at the various aspects of this supplement that make it a better alternative to prescription drugs and other remedies for hypertension. Let's get started. High blood pressure or hypertension is when the blood moves at a greater force than normal through your blood vessels, causing the blood pressure to increase. Over time, the constantly high blood pressure damages the walls of the blood vessels and leads to various health complications. In most cases, there are no symptoms of hypertension until you start experiencing the complications of it. Here's a look at some of the harmful and dangerous effects of high blood pressure on the body. First of all, your circulatory system can be damaged when you have consistent high blood pressure. The risks can become significant if high blood pressure is not diagnosed in a timely manner. Basically, increased pressure causes tears in the walls of the arteries which prevents cholesterol from flowing freely in the bloodstream. Instead, cholesterol begins to attach to the tears, making the arteries narrower as they build up over time. As the level of cholesterol in the artery walls increase, the amount of blood that is able to flow through decreases. At this stage, the heart starts working harder, which leads irregular heartbeat, chest pain and even heart attack. Secondly, high blood pressure can affect your nervous system. It can cause cognitive decline or dementia over the years. When sufficient amounts of blood doesn't reach the brain, it results in thinking and memory problems. In some cases, brain damage and stroke can also occur as a result of blood blockage to the brain. Thirdly, you are at an increased risk of developing osteoporosis when you have high blood pressure. This condition weakens the bones and causes bone loss, which can make you susceptible to fractures. The urinary system and the reproductive system can also be affected due to high blood pressure. Sexual dysfunction such as difficulty getting an erection or maintaining an erection and kidney failure are often associated with high blood pressure. Created in the Philippines, Cardioton is an all-natural and reliable dietary supplement that works to regulate high blood pressure levels. By taking the supplement, which is available as easy-to-swallow capsules, you can achieve a balance in blood pressure levels. Additionally, you can experience an improvement in your cardiovascular and overall health. Hypertension occurs when the blood vessels do not function efficiently. So the purpose of this supplement is to make the blood vessels healthy again. There is no doubt that all the bodily functions, including the functions of the internal organs, depends on the circulatory system. The quality of blood is crucial for ensuring that essential nutrients and oxygen is delivered to the organs. But when the walls of the blood vessels weaken, become damaged or saturated with cholesterol buildup, they do not function properly, which make the blood pressure levels increase. Cardioton comprises of natural ingredients which cleanse the blood vessels. They increase the flexibility of the blood vessels, which in turn promote healthy blood pressure levels. Anyone suffering from hypertension can benefit greatly from this formula, as it helps lower bad cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. The powerful antioxidants contained in the formula also helps maintain healthy sugar levels in the blood. There are no side effects of using this supplement since it is entirely natural and made from clinically tested ingredients. The extracts and elements of Cardioton contain hypertensive properties, which is why it is regarded as a natural solution for lowering blood pressure. Cardioton has been developed after years of extensive research. Its formula consists of only clinically proven ingredients. All of its ingredients are safe, natural and do not cause any side effects. According to the information available on the product's official website, Cardioton contains pure extracts from plants which are beneficial for cleansing the blood vessels. The formula doesn't contain any artificial ingredients, synthetic components, chemicals, fillers or dyes. The exotic herbs contained in the supplement have been carefully selected after thorough analysis. All these beneficial ingredients play a helpful role in regulating blood pressure and promoting overall health. Cardiotin is suitable for daily use. Since it is completely natural, you can take 1 to 2 capsules with food every day to keep your blood pressure levels in control. The good thing about Cardiotin is that it doesn't lead to a temporary decrease in blood pressure unlike other medications. Instead, it works to offer a long-lasting result by improving the health and condition of the blood vessels. Within 2 weeks of using the capsules, you will notice a significant improvement in your blood pressure levels. Over time, as the walls of your blood vessels strengthen and the functioning of your cardiovascular system improves, your blood pressure levels will normalize.